Hello, everybody. Welcome to another sidestepping adventure, a Mid-Tennessee adventure, and it's pretty to see where we're at. We're at the farm. That's where we are. So we're gonna do a little creeking today. We're gonna walk the creek. There's the old barn that we're fixing to do some work on it here soon. We're gonna go down the creek. So here we go. Done walked up it. Now we're walking down it. Whoa. And it might seem like I'm running, but I ain't. There's the house. They're pretty, but I figured I want to take y'all on a creek walk hike. Besides, I got to see what's damming up the place. So, when it rains, it's real bad. This goes up in the yard. So that just tells you how bad the flooding is here lately. Pretty, ain't it? Don't slide down these rocks. We got a lot to see, so I'm not worried about what you're missing, 'cause trying to capture that butterfly. Too bad these GoPros don't have a zoom. Maybe some of them that cost the arm and the leg. Makes you want to pee, don't it? I got Jim with me today, so I'm not worried about no snakes, because Jim will take care of them. Now he's on my side, Jim is. That's where I'm carrying Jim. This ain't deep. Kind of cool day to be getting wet. So this is all part of the Greenberry Wilson farm. All this is 400 acres, just about it. Greenberry was my sixth great grandpa. He built a place, Minas. He built a house in 1760, pardon me, 1796. I always get them two numbers confused. But they had a big family, pretty big. Him and Grandma Tempe. Oh, that's another thing that's clogging it up. Yeah. And one of their daughters married into the Tollets family, Nancy. She married John Tollet. John, I think that's Junior. I'd have to look. Either junior or senior. Can't remember. But I'll let you know. So, they had a daughter. They had a bunch of kids. And one of the daughters was named Elizabeth Temperance Tollet. Tempe, her name was Temperance, so they just named Elizabeth after her grandma. And Elizabeth is my fourth great grandma. She married Claiborne, Jesse Claiborne Davenport Jr. Grandpa Claiborne, he's buried with their folks, and she's buried up on the hill over here. She didn't want to be buried with them people, she said. She didn't like her, I guess, brothers. See, her daddy, John, he was murdered. So I don't know exactly what was up with that. I think he was robbed. I can't remember. I'll remember the story and tell it to you one of these days. Wow. Look at this. This is not good either. That's damming it up. So a lot of history, I can tell you. Wow. Yep. It's damn big time. I wonder if the water is flowing. They had a big old flood. It pushed all this rock down here in this hill. I don't actually know where this rock all come from. It's somewhere up yonder. Look out, deeper. It's deeper than your boots. So I have to jump right here. Down in the creek. Yep. My cousin's house is up here on the right. Left. Okay. Maybe at the 59 point. I know one thing. The bugs are out. Really are. My cousin's house. Miss Kim's home, resting. Oh, I've never been this far down here before. Oh, the gnats are very terrible. I think if I can't get in the creek across the road, we'll go to South Bottom Way. Taking naps everywhere. I might be able to just walk on through there. I think I will. Maybe. Let's see. Ah! My cousin. Yeah. Let's go. Hello. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I hear something. Coming to get us. Yeah. Here we are. I don't know where we're going. I've never been on this side before, so looks pretty turtle. Don't you think? So who knows how far down we're gonna be able to go before we hit water. Gnats are like awful. Yeah. Cool, ain't it? Ain't that cool? Don't see that every day, do you? I think I see some water. Maybe I'm wrong. Nope. No water. Whee! Said the blind man. I can walk through here. It's a lot better. Don't see a snake and you'll hear me holler. I won't be hollering for joy though. Rattlesnake country right in here. So yeah, look at that shelf. Almost looks like somebody made it, don't it? I think. No, that can't be. I don't know where we are just yet. Can't be where I'm taking you, because I didn't walk it far that I know of. Seems like we didn't. Do I regret doing this? No. But I should have put on the bug spray. They're liking my hat or anyone. Don't know what. Way here and make sure there ain't no snake curled up somewhere. Creek bed. Yeah, that's why I'm saying that. They like creek beds. I like this. I know where I'm at now. I do believe. But we got a ways to go. To tell you the truth. Don't know if it'll get good or bad or ugly. Throw this up in the field. Leave that in the creek. That's a homemade wall. They put that up years ago. Like many years ago. I'm talking early, late 1800s, mid. This is part of the Wilson farm, by the way. So the land goes across the road. There's some more little. Looks like we're gonna go into the jungle. Looks like it. Gonna bring my machete. Trying to see what's damming this up. I know where I am now. I'm not too awfully far from our destination. This go better than if it was water in it. There can be bugs. Oh. Maybe they'll get better down here. I don't know. I think I see something. A little water. Maybe. Water. Good old water. Oh. Baby cakes. I like to do this because one of these days I'm gonna get older and I ain't gonna be able to have the mobility to do this stuff. Yeah, I thought we were. We're at Soggy Bottoms. But here it is. To believe. No, not yet. Oh, I know where this is. This is, yeah, we're Soggy Bottoms. So that's, I thought that was the next creek down. That's why we did it. See, no, what I wanted to show you, water. Good old water. So I think I'll just take you up this way. I've seen what's clogging it up. Needs to be moved. This is Soggy Bottoms. This is where we make our moonshine. No, our sorghum molasses. Yeah, I'll show you. It's coming up in September this month. I'm over this way. Got one bar on this side of the farm. Yep. Peaceful, ain't it? imagine milking this back in the 1800s? Even 100 years ago. Kind of like a hideaway, to tell you the truth. I love it. Here's where we make molasses. And this is also where I broke my drone at. That strips it. That's the cane. Strips the cane. And it gets the juices out of the cane. There's water. Let's see, I think it was this tree that I had to climb, I think. I think it was, yeah. And I cracked my drone right there. Yeah. So I'm gonna take you down to the old cave. Well, everybody, here we are. The cave. So we're not gonna go in there. Not today. Not a part of it. Man Creek, right? Man Creek. Try to get my step. Watch my step. Which way do we go, George? Whee! Don't you like this, Bradley and Norma? Another section of the cave we're in. I know, Fabian. You want to come fishing. I know. Ain't going to happen. Gotta go back to where. Oh, came from. Yeah. Yeah. Now we get up there. Try it then. Here we go. Maybe. I see a snake. Look out. Screaming demon. Or screaming angel. That sounds better. I don't want to be a screaming demon. Yeah, I know. Your mind is wondering, ain't it? Pretty, ain't it? I think this is where my neighbor fishes at. He comes over here, fishes somewhere. And it can drink watermelon. If you drink, don't drive. Drink a watermelon crawl. I can see any fish. Not yet. There's snakes too. See no fish. I'm gonna go as far as here. I'm turning around. Something's there. There might be a fish in there. That pretty? Oh. This is Bubba. No, not yet. Now this is the property line. Right here. We're gonna walk the creek. Let you get some. Let you get your feet wet. Well, actually, it's my feet. You're just listening. places right there. Yeah. This is why this is called Soggy Bottoms. Yeah, buddy. Oh, I forgot about this area. I don't know. Looks pretty. No wonder. That's what's going on. It's jamming that up. I ain't gonna be able to get right there. So I found it. I have to tell Lindo that I found it. Get the chainsaws out and hold it down. But that's my cup of tea, is trees and wood and chainsaws. Right up my alley. I got enough experience, Alec, let me tell you. Battery on this GoPro, it don't last as long as it does on my other one. This one's already down in the yellow. Maybe there's some kind of mode I need to set it on. Look, I'll see you in a few. Look at that corn. That's 2 times taller than I am. Almost. Yeah, it is. Now, maybe I can get back in the creek. Or is it blocked? It's a little blocked. Winter project, I reckon. Winter project. Get the tractor and hook a chain to it and drag it out of there and cut it up. Oh, excuse me. Never fails, does it? On the live stream. Or live stream. I mean, video or anything. I'm burping or farting. They're pretty. I love stuff like this. It's how I grew up. In the country like this. It's the only way I know. Well, in some other ways, but I love this way. Maybe I ain't going that way because it's a little bit deeper than I want to get down in. Oh. Yep, this is Soggy Bottoms, part of Grandpa Greenberry's. I guess this probably could be considered back in some time a plantation fish of some sort. Yeah. or just a working farm, working class people. If this place could only talk, I bet you he could tell you some good stories. As you have family, owns property like this or something, people don't usually let you go tromping around. But this is my family, so I go over anytime I want. I'm just like Lyndall. I'm gonna be over at the house. I'm gonna film or something. He'd be like, okie dokie. Here we are, back at Southie Butter. Well, I mean, where we make the sorghum. Wow, there must have been a heck of a... Yep, I see what it did now. I ain't been back here since the flood, but wow. You really have to spank out. There's where we make the sorghum at. You put a pan inside this, and then you heat it up. It's got to be a certain temperature. Yep. Needs to be cleaned out. Well, folks, I hate to cut it short, but the battery life don't look too promising for me. So, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you later on down the road in the next sidestepping adventure amid Tennessee adventure. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.